Welcome back to Rise in Progress. Scott, I'm sure you have heard, the Supreme Court recently released an opinion overturning years of precedent set by the Roe v. Wade decision in 1973. This returns the legality of abortion back to the states. So can you talk to us about what that means here in Michigan?
Yeah, absolutely. So Michigan is one of 8 states with pre-existing bans on abortion, which would subject Michigan to our 1931 law, which would make it a felony for any medical provider to provide an abortion procedure to a patient. So when Roe v. Wade was overturned on June 24th, about a month and a half prior to that, Planned Parenthood had actually sued the state, challenging the legality of the 1931 law, where a preliminary injunction was issued by the Michigan Court of Claims, which temporarily allows abortion procedures to continue in Michigan. So for the time being, while the courts are still weighing out this process, abortion procedures still are illegal, but that could be subject to change at some point in the future. So Kate, could you tell us a little bit about what's next in Michigan?
Well, Governor Gretchen Whitmer has urged the courts to take swift and decisive action on this issue so that there is not confusion about what is and is not allowed here in Michigan. They have not ruled yet, and they may in fact be waiting because recently signatures were submitted to put this issue on the November ballot so that voters could potentially make this a constitutional right here in the state of Michigan. So that's all a little bit undecided as of yet. Obviously, though, this is something affecting Michigan physicians and patients right now. So how is it that MSMS is guiding its beliefs?
Well, there's really a core main group of principles that MSMS believes in with this situation. One, that the patient-physician relationship should always be protected. 2, that any decision made by a physician should be made by their best medical judgment and in the best interest of the patient. MSMS also vehemently opposes any criminalization of a medical procedure. And lastly, while we do have concerns with what's currently playing out in a national landscape, MSMS physicians will follow the law to the fullest extent. So we appreciate you coming back to us on another episode of Rise in Progress, and we hope to see you next time. Thanks.